Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Hi everybody. Let's take a look today at the Maybelle square crochet pattern. This is by myrosevalley.blogspot.com, and I think this is so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It looks like there is a little bit of a story that goes along with it. But I'm just going to open it up and take a close look at the pictures. So this is My Rose Valley's blog, and look at these beautiful squares. They're so pretty. There's nothing super exciting about them, but again, like most of these squares, it all depends on the colors you choose, right? If you choose like certain colors that just kind of make you happy, then they're just going to be happy squares. And it looks like these pictures are really detailed well, in my opinion. So she gives you all of the instructions right here on her blog. I love these. Look at these colors. So pretty. I wonder, I'm going to keep scrolling because I'm hoping to see something where it's got the squares put together. Yes, here we go. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? This is the baby blanket pattern. I just love this. I'm kind of speechless because I love it so much. She does tell you the type of yarn she used and how much you're going to need of each colors. She does have some little tips here, tips and tricks, and all about arranging them and doing the border. So yeah, I really like this a lot. It looks like she's very talented. This is her right here. She's a Swedish girl living in the Swiss countryside with her American husband and 3 children. So yeah, if she made this, I like her already. Let me know what you think, guys. I want to say this is one of my favorites. I really like it a lot. So pretty. All right. Well, until tomorrow, have a great night. I can't believe we're almost through this month already. All these different flower patterns. Just a few left. Oh, makes me want to make all the things. All right, everybody. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.